Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on dining out with OpenTable, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the OpenTable app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the restaurant or the type of cuisine you're craving. Filter the search results by location to find nearby options. Select a restaurant that catches your interest. Take a moment to read the restaurant's reviews and check its available dining times. Look for special offers or discounts that may be listed on the restaurant's page. Tap on the reserve button to choose a date and time for your dining experience. Confirm your reservation details before finalizing. Be sure to check the promotional offers section for any current deals. After making a reservation, check your email for a confirmation to ensure everything is in order. Arrive at the restaurant on time to enjoy your meal. Remember to mention any special promotions to your server once you're seated. Keep an eye out for loyalty points, which can lead to future discounts on dining out. Explore the app regularly for new restaurants and limit. By following these steps, you can make the most of OpenTable and save money while dining out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.